So not only do we have the widest range of cutters and crimpers on 6 and 8 ton tool bodies, but we also boast the fact that we have both Makita and Milwaukee battery platforms that can suit both cases, right? So if you're an end user that has a lot of Makita batteries or Milwaukee batteries sitting, we have options for both battery style platforms in a variety of different applications. Copper, aluminum, rebar, ground rod, acsr, wire rope, anchor rod, everything in between. Just stop by Huskie Tools and check out our SLA series of items and see what you find.